y'all.
We just got back from our most recent Disney adventure, and we picked up some swag. As you do when you go on a Disney adventure. You can't come home with nothing. Let's get to number one. We're going to do this one first because I asked my friend who was going down a week before if they would get this for us if they saw it. Because you know, if we would have not asked her to get this, then when we went down the next week, they wouldn't have had any. It's just how the universe works. So she gave it to us while we were down there because they were staying with us. She got us the Steamboat Willie popcorn bucket. So we can add this to our popcorn bucket collection that's up here. Alright, number two, let's see here. We went to the Disney Character Warehouse.
We follow lots of other YouTubers. There's one that I watch a lot because they go to the Character Warehouse. Check that channel out. It's Tip of the Ears. Right here and probably in the comments below. They showed a lot of the Flower and Garden Festival items that were now in the Character Warehouse. This was basically the only thing that was left that I was at all interested in. It's just a little like cosmetic pencils, whatever you want to put in there. Ooh, and it's got purple glittery stuff in it. And it says, put a little zest in your fest, 2019 Epcot International Flower and Garden Festival.
Which we did go to.
Yeah, so I felt like
come by this legitimately.
I felt like I could purchase this because I actually attended said festival this year.
Now, how much was that originally and how much did you get it for?
It was originally $17.99 and we got it for $5.99.
So,
whoop, sales.
Let's see here. Oh!
We got this for our puppy. We haven't put it on her yet because we wanted to show you before it got covered in her hair.
She sheds a lot.
She does. But we got her a new collar. It's got a little Minnie Mouse bow.
And it's got Minnie's all over it.
Yeah.
Because she's a girl.
Because she's a girl. We'll show you a picture of her in this collar now.
When we were in the parks, we saw this one that has the bow on it.
In Magic Kingdom.
In Magic Kingdom,
in the Emporium is where I saw it.
So we were like, well, we're going to go ahead and wait to get it. We'll just get it at Downtown Disney when we go. But then we went, and all they had were just basically the same collars, but without the bow.
Most of their stores carried
all
the same stuff.
We asked one of the cast members in that store, do you have them? Do you know where we can get them other than going back to the Magic Kingdom?
She pointed out another store, Market Co-op.
I went over there. That's where you can kind of customize your magic bands, and they have a couple other things in there. This was right behind the counter where you customize your own magic band. I happened to just see him sitting there, and I was like, oh, that is exactly what I need. Crisis averted. Because we so would have gone back to the Magic Kingdom to go get them real quick. Yes, we would have. Because the whole drive home, she would have been like, we should have gone and just got.
I never do that.
Not one time ever.
That's for fidget.
I honestly cannot remember what this is. I thought it was an ornament because of the way they wrapped it and it was flat, but I don't know.
It is an ornament.
Oh, when did we get that?
This is when we checked out with Gaston. Because we ended up going down a couple of days early before our friends joined us, and we stayed at Pop Century. And we like to get Christmas ornaments.
For places that we've been.
And so we wanted to get one for all the different resorts that we stay at. So we finally got one for Pop Century to add to our Disney tree.
Yeah. Alright, what else we got in here?
We complete our collection of the new Been There series Starbucks mugs with Disney's Animal Kingdom.
So now we have both sets of You Are Here collection. We have all of these. Now we have all of the Been There series collection. Yeah. So now we have that one.
And then we're going to have this one. And these Starbucks mugs are awesome because, well, one, they're
decorative.
They're pretty big. Nice cup of coffee. They're decorative.
They're
and
collectible.
They stack nicely on each other.
We finally have completed our collection.
Until I come out with more.
Then we'll have to start all over again. Oh well, next year. This will be a whole video. This is just kind of our abbreviated what we did. Pins.
Y'all, I don't even know how this happened. This, like, completely snowballed on this trip. We're not pin collectors. We weren't before this last adventure.
All I wanted to do was make a video about starting from scratch pin trading.
So this is how this kind of happened. We were at the character warehouse, so we were just going to get a few cheaper pins because everything is less expensive.
I got a whole bunch of these 4-packs for, depending on the day you go, they're different price, but they're the same ones. So like these were Alice in Wonderland and Peter Pan's. These were $9 a piece versus $25 for 4 pins. So it's a good deal.
So we were just going to do some casual dipping our toes in the water of pin trading.
So we just wanted to get, this is 12 pins right here.
Yeah, we just kind of wanted to see what pin trading was like.
Yeah, so we just got some cheap ones just to start, but I wanted them to be real pins, not like the, you know, the cheap fake ones from like eBay that everybody warns you about. These are the real ones from Disney, and every day I went, they restocked the shelf.
Then we went to Disney Springs.
And they have that pin trading store.
I'm walking around, just looking, just browsing.
I found a enclosed cabinet, and I'm like, what's all that? And the cast member trying to explain to us the whole pin trading thing. He explains to me what this cabinet is. These are the hidden Mickeys, and this was the current set of hidden Mickey pins. The only way you can get it is to trade with a cast member. I was like, OMG.
There was a row of Figment pins.
Figment is my favorite character. And so it begins. That is when I was like, I have to get everyone tunnel vision.
Happened for the next, like, 5 days.
Literally until we left. I had to get all those Figment pins. We traded all those. We got some pins. I'll show you some of those in a minute. We also got these, which are also gonna be in a different video.
Pirates of the Caribbean.
Yeah, and there's just 2 hidden pins that are in there. And we actually got that one at the Disney Character Warehouse. This was $7. There's, what, 2 pins in there?
Yeah.
Then, there's only 2 Figment pins that they sell right now. This is one of them. The other one we bought last time we were on our trip. Our friend went to Disneyland recently, and she got us the Disneyland version of these 2 pins. I saw them down there at Disney World, and I said, oh my god, those are the same pins, but for Disney World. So we had to get these 2. And then I got another Mickey pin. These are Teia's, because last time we went down, she was ogling these things, and this time we went down, and I was like, well, there they are again. This is Mickey and Minnie as Bert and Mary Poppins, and I said, you wanted them last time, we're getting them. And she was like, we don't need to. And I was like, yes, we do. See, and that's what she kept doing. If we didn't get them, she would have been so upset that we didn't get them.
Oh, whatever.
All right, so what we got here is, they have a new thing with the Disney Play app. If you do certain events or do certain attractions, you get the opportunity to buy a pin. You get the opportunity to buy a pin. They are $15, but with your annual pass discount, they come out to like 12-ish. This is the one for Star Tours. This has C-3PO on it, and down in the corner it says Play, and I'll show you a closer look at it up here. They had a Pirates of the Caribbean one, they had this one. They have a Haunted Mansion, but they were all sold out of it. There were a few others they actually had. Yes, but I didn't see any of those in the store.
I did.
You did? Okay. The last thing that we have is all of the pins. Now, I went back to the Disney Character Warehouse a few times, and I kept getting like 3 of those 4-packs of pins, so I get 12 here, 12 there. So this is Teia's lanyard. We were trying to get her all the cupcakes. We only could keep finding one because this is the only one that I could find that was real. All the other ones were all like, they were so fake that they were just not even funny. So we found a couple of cool ones. So this is Teia's starter pin lanyard.
We also got the lanyards from
Disney Character Warehouse.
Warehouse.
They were only like $2. This was the lanyard that I used to actually, these are my trader pins. These are the ones we have left from the current Disney adventure. So when we go back, depending on the ones she wants to keep, we will bring these with us. And then we'll go back to the character warehouse and we'll get more. Here's my pride and joy. This is what happened whenever I saw that cabinet of Figment pins. I got all of them. And some that were not in the case. I got all these are Figment pins. And on the back, I got the Epcot pavilion logo, whatever. They had two different sets.
Discovered as he was looking for the Figment pins.
Yes. So this is how many pins I collected while I was there. Traded back and forth. I got all of the Figment pins from that case. I got them all. Explain that in a future video. That is my like Figment collection.
His pride and joy right now.
It is my Figment pin collection. I got this shirt from the Disney Character Warehouse. It has the same sort of bubbled up, whatever that foam stuff is that they have on the jerseys. It's just less. But I thought this was fun, and purple's her favorite color. So, and I also got her this Minnie Mouse bag. And this is Loungefly. And it originally cost...
It was originally $80, so it was 50% off.
And I bought it for $41.
And it's got polka dots inside. So cute.
So that is our haul for our most recent Disney adventure. And we'll have another one of these videos coming out because I'm sure we will get more when we go down there for the Galaxy's Edge preview that is also in another video.
Do you come home with a haul from Disney? If so, what are your favorite things to collect? Shirts, mugs. Do you pin trade? If you do, leave us some comments. Give us some pointers because we are very new to this. We need some pro tips.
If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, like, and share this video as it really does help us out. And remember to hit the notification bell icon below this video so that you can get updates anytime we upload new content. That's all for now. I can't wait to hear about your Disney swag adventures. Remember, no capes.
Yes, I felt like I could I felt like I could purchase this.
Figment is my favorite character.
You see? You see what happens? I get pushed out of the way for Figment.
Remember,
no capes.
No capes. Remember, no capes. Remember, remember, no capes.
Hey!
Got it!